You think your smoothie is healthy. You blend in the spinach, toss in the almond milk, maybe a scoop of protein powder, and boom, you feel like a wellness queen. But what if I told you that your smoothie might actually be wrecking your gut health, spiking inflammation, and leaving you more bloated than before? Sounds crazy, right? But let me show you what's hiding in your healthy smoothie. Smoothies have become the poster child of clean eating. And listen, I used to drink one every single morning thinking I was doing my body a favor. But here's the truth most people don't talk about. So many so-called healthy smoothie ingredients are loaded with additives, sneaky sugars, and gut-disrupting compounds, especially harmful for women over 30 dealing with hormone changes, bloating, and fatigue. Here, let's break down the top 5 smoothie ingredients that might be secretly damaging your gut. And chances are you're using at least 2 of them. Number 1, artificial or natural sweeteners. Even those labeled natural can confuse your gut bacteria, spike cravings, and trigger bloating. Number 2, almond milk with carrageenan or gums. Sounds harmless, but honestly, these thickeners can irritate the gut lining and mess with digestion. So check your labels. It's everywhere in America. Number 3, cheap protein powders. If it says whey blend or soy isolate and it's packed with fillers, hard pass. Many are inflammatory, especially for sensitive guts. Number 4, too much raw spinach or kale. Yes, they're healthy, but raw is a no-no. They're high in oxalates, which can actually block nutrient absorption and irritate your gut. Number 5, too much fruit. I know, fruit is nature's candy, but when you blend 3 bananas with mango and dates, that's a blood sugar roller coaster that your gut does not enjoy. Here's the thing. Your gut is a home to trillions of bacteria that literally control your digestion, mood, immune system, even your hormones. When you overload it with inflammatory foods, artificial ingredients, or sugar bombs disguised as smoothies, you throw that balance off. This results in bloating, brain fog, skin issues, low energy, and yes, stubborn weight that just won't budge. Now, don't worry, I'm not here to cancel smoothies. You can make one that supports your gut, balances your hormones, and keeps your energy steady. You just need to build it better. Here's what to use instead. Coconut milk or homemade almond milk with no gums. A clean protein like grass-fed collagen or plant-based with no fillers. Low-sugar fruits like berries or green apple. Add-ins like flax seeds, chia seeds, and greens powder. And gut-loving extras like ginger or cinnamon. Simple swaps equal a smoothie that works with your gut, not against it. If this video opened your eyes, imagine how your gut will feel when you make these changes. And if this helped, comment gut reset, so I know you're with me. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with another wellness lover who needs to hear it.